What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a weekly cleaning and homemaking routine as a working mom. Tons of cleaning motivation, an easy recipe you can bake with your little ones, as well as an at-home cardio workout that'll fit into any busy schedule. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you leave. I'm starting off in our bathroom today because it's a complete mess. I need to wash the toilet, switch out the lining for the shower curtain, as well as scrub the bathtub. We gave Riley a bath last night and we've been using these little kid bath bombs, but they kind of stain the bathtub a bit. So I'm going to be using a new product, which I will show you guys in a bit. Before we get started, today's video is in collaboration with Yolesi from the Lopez Life. So I'm going to let her introduce herself right here.
Hey everyone, my name is Yolesi and my channel name is The Lopez Life. I am a stay-at-home mom to one daughter, and on my channel I film a lot of cleaning motivation, and I also like to post workout motivation as well, as you can see in this short clip. If you guys enjoy that type of content, I would absolutely love to have you head on over to my channel after you are done watching Nia's video.
I like to pick my shower liners up from the Dollar Tree because they're super inexpensive and I always will buy more than one. But with everybody being quarantined at the moment, I know a lot of us aren't really trying to leave the house. So if your shower liner is as dirty as mine, you can put this into your wash and put it on the light and delicate cycle.
And even if you're trying to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep.
While I was at the store, I picked up these Scrub Daddy sponges. I've been seeing different people using them, and I also saw a couple of commercials, and I wanted to give them a try, especially for my tub. So I'm gonna go in with this tile and tub cleaner, and this really helped get all of the stains out from the bath bombs that we used with Riley. I definitely recommend this product to you guys. I've only used it in the bathtub, but I do want to see how it works in other areas of the house. On downstairs to the kitchen. I don't know if I can even do a cleaning video without even touching the kitchen, especially now we've been using it so much more often than we normally do. So I'm gonna basically do a quick tidy up in here. I need to do some dishes, and then I really want to deep clean our Keurig machine, which I'll show you guys in a bit.
'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh. like you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Between concrete walls, there's a place for us.
Now it's time to tackle our Keurig machine. So what I'm going to do is pour out some of the water and then put half vinegar in and then fill up the rest with water. And I'm literally just going to keep running this through the whole entire Keurig system until it stops smelling like vinegar. I will say I probably had to at least run it maybe about like 5 or 6 times. I don't know if it was just like I could still smell the vinegar in it, but this is going to help basically deep clean the inside of your Keurig.
I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place. Do you wanna follow? There's something in the air. I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more. It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
This is our makeshift mudroom, and this is the door from the garage. So it has definitely gotten way out of control. As you can see, there are tons of shoes, jackets, and randomness all around. So I'm basically going to pick up all of the shoes, put them back in their proper place. The same thing with the jackets, and then I also wanted to sweep the entire floor.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not
Today I'm going to be sharing an easy banana bread recipe. We've been making this non-stop ever since being in quarantine. It's kid friendly, so you will see Riley a little bit later on in the video helping me make this. I will have the exact measurements and everything linked down below for you guys. I heated up a stick of butter and now I'm going to be adding in my sugar and mashing that all together. Once that has been mixed up, it's time to add in the 2 eggs, the banana, and mash that all together, and then we'll start to add more of the dry ingredients.
I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not.
Adding in the flour, baking soda. I also add in some vanilla even though the recipe doesn't call for it. It gives it a little bit of more of a sweet taste. And now you also will see Riley here helping me out. And then the last thing I'm going to add in is some milk and then mix it all together.
You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not
While that's cooking in the oven, I'm going to wipe down the countertops because of course we did spill a little bit. I don't think anybody can really bake without making a little bit of a mess.
when the flames going high with my bad patience. I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. Didn't even see me cases a day. Feeling every day like
Today's at-home workout is part of Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge, where basically it's a free challenge and she tells you what type of workout you're supposed to do on an everyday basis. I've seen so many crazy results that people have literally shrunk in inches and dropped a couple of pounds. So I'm giving this challenge a try, and as you can see, I'm doing it right in my room. You don't need a ton of space and there's no weights involved at all. So this is nothing but your body weight and a really great and also hard at-home workout.
just